call, chat, have video meetings, and share screens on any device, anywhere with the 8x8 Work mobile app. 8x8 is a global cloud communications company that delivers solutions that they have developed themselves on their platform in their data centers, which is very unique to the cloud industry. They have cloud-based voice communications, video conferencing, enterprise contact center that includes things like omni-channel AI and speech analytics. They've got analytics on every customer and employee interaction. And of course, they've got software app integration that happens with integration with clicks, not code, for Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, Zendesk, NetSuite, Zoom, G Suite, HubSpot, all of the major ones, up to 35 ones are just out of the box and ready to go. So at the end of the day, they offer the highest level of business continuity and security in a single login for secure and reliable voice, chat, video, and contact solutions, all from one company in 8x8. So when we talk about 8x8's Work app, it's going to provide voice and voicemail, audio and web conferencing, has a built-in soft phone, HD video, SMS, and screen sharing, all from within the app on whatever device you're using. It's very slick. So and it's free. So it comes with every license that comes from 8x8. So it comes with a built-in soft phone, does video, business SMS, faxes, call recordings, and screen sharing, all within one app. It's really easy to use. So when we take a look at the app, there's several things to look at, which you notice right away, which is, it's got complete integration to Google and plugins, more or less, and for Office 365. So when you go to the top up here, you've got the ability to set up your profile and let you know what's going on. It automatically knows that you're busy when you're in a meeting and you're available when you're not. But you can make changes here to your call forwarding and many of the things that you would use every day. There's the ability to go and look for key contacts and do searches into what you've been doing. That would also include SMS, anything. Then you've got, under your calls, you've got all of your calls, your missed calls, your voicemails, all right in one spot right here, as well as a dial pad to be able to make and receive calls. Here's all your contacts. When you bring one up, all you would have to do is click on it, it would automatically call. And then, of course, here's your business SMS that allows you to make and receive text to cell phones or to anybody, and use your business number. You've got your video conferencing here. You've got your faxing here. So inbound and outbound faxes all work here for each individual user. And then you've got call recording on demand. So if you do record any of your calls, video, audio, whatever, they would be in this file as well. So when we go back to looking at video, what we've got is every person has their own little meeting room. So you can copy this link right here and send this to anybody, and they can click on that and they're immediately into your room. So it's very secure and very easy to use. It skips about 3 steps that you have with most of these clients. So what happens is when you want to start a meeting, you click on it, it automatically opens up into the meeting, and then you're able to add people as needed. Here you've got your microphone, your speaker. Over here, you've got the ability to connect to a in-room television in one of your conference rooms. There's your settings. There's your headset settings. Over here, you've got your video, audio and video. You've got your screen sharing, your texting, your raise your hand for questions. You can see what participants are all in this meeting. And then, of course, you start going into the toggling the view, and then you've got more actions here to share the video, to start live stream, to mute. All these things are all possible, when you start looking at, how you can set this up. Over here, what you've got is the ability to see what each user is doing. You can tell whose internet connection is working and whose is not. These things are very, this is all done in HD. You can actually adjust the video if you don't have enough bandwidth. A lot of us are using coax, and it can get to be a problem. But in a nutshell, that's how you use the app, and it works very well. So just to kind of show you there, you see I'm still up here in the top right corner because I'm still in the video. While I'm working, I can hit, once again, either delete, go to the camera, whatever, adjust it. But here's what you've got once again, the ability to make and receive calls, text, send and receive everything using your business number. That's huge, And then, for the most part, what you've got, why would you go with 8x8? Okay, well, one company, one platform, voice, chat, video, and the latest contact center. Reliable and secure solution allows anyone to securely work from anywhere on any device. That's a big one. Multiple geo-redundant data centers around the globe with presence and the ability to call freely into 47 countries. Robust analytics on every customer employee interaction for your business. Native integration of 35 different providers, including Teams, Google, Oracle, NetSuite, Salesforce, and more. Easy to implement for all the users and easy to self-manage for your system administrators. It's a very easy to use portal. The app works on any device anywhere and uses industry standard SIP phones. So if you already have some, or if you need some, we have that covered. But basically, the big deal, end-to-end security that allows you to work over the public internet, and that's huge. It really is. So when you start looking at it, you say, okay, work is an activity, not a location. And that's what we believe in at Brookside Cloud Communications, UCaaS, CCaaS, SD-WAN, Brookside Consulting, www.brooksideus.com.